Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I need to show you something really cool at Walmart. Now, I know that all Walmarts are different, and what is available at a discount at my local Walmart may not be available at yours, but sometimes it's all the Walmarts. So just in case, check your local Walmart because you might be able to find Mainstays yarn for $1 a skein. All of this pink was $1 each, and the brown was $1.50 each. So for all of this, I paid $7. Just look at what I saw. Oh my gosh, you guys, they have Mainstays yarn for $1 a skein. Are there any others marked down? You guys, the brown was scanning for $1.50. So this is all that they have of these two colors, and I'm going to purchase all of them. It looks like they also have Woobles yarn here, and they're selling it for $12, but heads up, if you look online, it should be $9.99 each. So, I mean, it's good yarn, but I'm not really a fan. Here's another kind of yarn that's new to my store. They have this Insta-Knit yarn. I guess instead of casting on, they've already done that for you, and you just put the loops on your hook and start knitting. I don't know. I mean, just learn to cast on. It's not that hard. And teaching people not to cast on in the beginning is just going to hinder them later. Just learn to cast on, guys. It's not hard. So let's take a closer look at the yarn. This is a worsted yarn. It's 100% acrylic. There are 397 yards in each skein. It's 7 ounces, and the pink is identical to the brown. They're just different colors. It feels soft. It's definitely softer than Red Heart Super Saver, which, as you know, I love. But this is just a little bit softer, and I'm really excited. You don't often see 397 yards of yarn for $1. So that was exciting. Also, we went to the beach again. And just in case you want to see it, here's some footage from that. Okay. That little bit of water looks like a heart. There's lots of them over here, but this one looks like a little heart. The fog has rolled in, and if you saw my vlog from a couple days ago, that's where the lighthouse is, and we are gonna have zero visibility walking back. It's gonna be amazing. I love this. So you can't even see it, but Night Beach is over there. There's, you know, walkways. Even the hotels are being consumed by this fog. It's amazing. So that's the lighthouse down there. And then hotels, houses, other lighthouse over there. We're completely in the middle of fog. It's so cool. I love it when it does this. So now we're walking this way with like no visibility. It's amazing. the anemones. Tatooine. Tusken Raiders. Imagine it. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Visit my shop, www.shoptiffanybliss.com, and visit my website for free patterns, tiffanybliss.com. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.